CMMC compliance doesn't have to mean endless paperwork, complex diagrams, and costly preparation. With ADS's Blade Validate, powered by KDM Analytics, your Level 1 FCI and Level 2 CUI compliance is fully automated. Blade Validate simplifies FCI and CUI compliance from boundary to binder, automatically generating and populating your system diagrams, FCI and CUI flow maps, worksheets, and SSPs in minutes. Blade Validate supports both Level 1 and Level 2 system modeling, powered by the same core modeling capabilities, with Level 2 adding in-scope and out-of-scope containers aligned to CMMC Level 2 requirements. In this demo, we'll focus on CMMC Level 2 modeling to show how this built-in structure simplifies scoping, enforces consistency, and supports assessment readiness documentation. In Blade Validate, the first step is to capture key information about the system you're modeling, including system details and the associated cage code. From there, you begin building your CMMC model by defining your system nodes and identifying which assets are inside and outside the scope. The next step is defining the information exchange between nodes. Create data type, category, and name. Set the classification to CUI or unclassified. Set the CIA impact, and define if the data enters the boundary, moves inside, is stored, or flows out. Then map how that data moves, linking each exchange to the systems and nodes it touches. Blade Validate intelligently filters your choices, showing only the options that apply to your system. This automated approach reduces mistakes and ensures every selection you make is correct and consistent. Just accurate automated selections that reduces the chance of errors. Defining personnel roles, data flows, system asset types, and data at rest locations, creating a complete picture of how CUI moves through the system. Blade Validate automatically maps nodes and connections, and CUI data flows across your boundary. Review how information moves between internal and external components. Filter the model to focus on a specific data type, in this case, CUI. Select an exchange to review its properties, including classification, direction of flow, and the systems it connects. From there, visualize how CUI moves between internal and external components across the system boundary. Each path is fully traceable to the associated system assets, providing a clear, auditable view of the CUI landscape. Export data flow diagrams to support documentation and assessment readiness. Validate the system model to ensure CUI compliance, accuracy, and completeness. Now that your model is complete, save it as a Word document for safekeeping, and then synchronize it to an initial baseline CMMC Level 2 Excel compliance workbook, either in the default directory or a location of your choice. Blade Validate instantly exports your CMMC Level 2 compliance workbook, all 110 CUI safeguards, with a dedicated POEM worksheet. Work through each control family worksheet one at a time. Each requirement is evaluated at the system node level, allowing you to clearly indicate whether it has been fully met, partially met, or not met. For every requirement, document who performed the assessment, when it was conducted, and how the assessment objectives were satisfied. Set the compliance state to reflect the current status for each node. Record the assessment techniques used, describing how evidence was reviewed, tested, or examined, creating a complete, traceable assessment record. The SPRS score updates automatically to reflect current CUI compliance. The POEM worksheet documents plans of action and milestones for CMMC Level 2 practices determined to be not met during the assessment, tracking non-completion status by control and system node based on the associated assessment objectives. Blade Validate's dashboard lets you upload a CMMC workbook to instantly view metrics on assessment objective completion by control and system node. For the system currently loaded, or for any system undergoing a CMMC assessment, it presents a metrics-driven table that reflects the completion of control assessment objectives as they apply to individual system nodes, enabling stakeholders to quickly evaluate compliance posture, accountability, and risk. The AAR includes every table value, even the palette table, mapping each icon to its corresponding system node, ensuring a fully documented snapshot of your architecture. With a completed CMMC Level 2 workbook, the system security plan can be generated. You can create a customized template, ensuring that reusable system details are part of the final SSP document. The SSP summarizes all CUI security requirements and the controls in place, delivering audit-ready documentation in seconds. This is accomplished by importing compliance data from the completed CMMC workbook, system details from the customized template, and any supporting data flow diagrams. Blade Validate automatically fills your SSP with data from your system model, including system info, assets, data types, exchanges, data flow and system diagrams, and CUI compliance details, producing a complete audit-ready document. The Blade Validate license for CMMC Level 2 CUI also includes CMMC Level 1 FCI support, enabling organizations to maintain full visibility across all CMMC compliance activities. Ready to streamline your CMMC compliance and get assessment ready faster? Scan the QR code to purchase Blade Validate.